It's Monday, the 28th of October, 2019.
Hi, everybody.
Happy Halloween, y'all. Alrighty. A lot of work for them. A lot of work. Alrighty, guys. It's been 3 weeks since we did our last video. Why? Well, because the wedding was going on, and, well, y'all were here kind of with us, so you kind of know what all happened. That's not going to stop us from going through it. Let's move on, y'all. You'll notice I swapped to water, and that's because I have drank so many Coca-Colas
and Sprites and Monsters just to keep afloat.
Yeah, so I'm trying to flush the old system out. Alrighty, guys, let's talk about this week in the shop and projects complete. It's been really, really busy, and really not this week. It's really the last 3 weeks we're going to cover. Alrighty, the Coca-Cola machine turned bar came out really, really well. That looked really good. Gosh, we got it moved in Wednesday before the wedding, got it all set up and ready to go. But really did come out looking good. So we moved it from here to the venue and then used it at the venue and then over to Jay's house. Got a lot of pictures of it, but my favorite picture by far is with the bride, with Tangi sitting on the bar, and then all her sisters sitting around her, all her new
just
sisters
before they went to their bachelorette party. Yeah, that's what it was.
Yeah, it really is a
cute.
gorgeous picture. Really good looking
It's
picture.
very
I like
cute.
it. That's my favorite picture. I think favorite picture of the wedding as well. I really did like that.
What, you didn't like the pictures of me?
Yeah, I like the one of our daughters a whole lot better. It's just really, really nice to see that next generation coming.
Oh, that's true.
Then we had a really busy time. Literally the night before the wedding into the wee early morning hours, we had to make a 20-foot curtain rod and about, 12 by 16 foot curtains to go along the back.
They're 60 inches
So 5
piece
foot.
and 4 panels.
So a 20-foot curtain to go across the back.
And 12 feet long.
12 feet long.
Yeah.
And we had to make that last minute because storm course was coming in, and we had to drop a tarp that was behind the altar, and the tarp just was not
black
attractive.
tarp.
Yeah, it was horrible looking. So at the last minute, literally until the wee hours of the morning of the wedding,
we was
Mama
busy.
Was up. Yeah, we were busy making sure we had curtain rod, making sure we had curtains and everything.
Making sure everything was actually together to put out the next day.
Yeah. And then we wound up making a bunch of placemats that went on the tables.
Those took a few days to do.
Yep. Decorated the wagon for Raven. And special thanks to Reebok and to
Trudy.
Tom and Trudy came all the way from California to hang out with us, and special thanks to them. And then let's see what else we did. We made, cutting boards. Yeah, we made cutting boards for
the bar.
Yeah, kind of last minute. We're not sure about the wood type. We never have been. Had this for
I think it's hickory.
Years. We think it's hickory. That's everybody's best guess, but the guy we cut the logs for wasn't sure, and we've never been quite sure on that. Then we finished the ring boxes. Mama finished the ring boxes right there towards the end. Let's see, I had to make a false bottom for, if you remember, old Lake Butterbean, the 7-foot water trough sits right out here the window behind me. We decided to put some Coca-Colas and stuff in that along with the 2 galvanized tubs we had, so we didn't want to fill that whole thing full of ice, so I made a false bottom for it. We put some styrofoam, so it was really only about this deep, just deep enough to hold Coca-Colas and some beer and stuff.
They turned out really nice.
Come out really, really nice, but that was kind of a last minute thing. Then we wound up setting up all the chairs and tables for the rehearsal and for the wedding.
Yep, all that morning.
Special thanks to our family for kicking in for that.
All the volunteers that pitched in to help.
Everybody who volunteered to help do that. It was incredible. We got all that set up in record time. Really was kind of backs against the wall when that happened. Then we had to decorate the tables, and again, thank you to the family. Lawrence really kicked in there and got everything.
Everybody pitched in.
Wound up having to put plastic over a couple of the opening doorways on the venue for the wedding because of the storm moving in. Had to kind of wait last minute to make sure we could do it because we couldn't cover up all the openings because it is considered an open venue. So we wound up closing two of the windows down by, or not windows, but doorways down by the altar, and then we did one over by the DJ and one up by the bar. Special thanks to Tom for coming all the way out from California to help us hang plastic up. So
well, he is 6'4", so you know.
Yeah, he didn't need a ladder. He had to bend down most of the time. It was only a 12-foot doorway. So we kept the bar dry, kept the bartender dry, and kept the DJ
kept the bride dry.
Kept the bride
and groom dry.
So, yeah,
her wedding party.
Job on that. And then Sunday took it all down. Really started Friday afternoon putting everything up. and started taking everything down Sunday morning before daylight. I got there and started clearing off tables and removing everything. Jay and I did most of that by ourselves, taking down, and then everybody else kind of got there and helped us load everything up, take stuff over to Jay and Tangie's house, and then load everything up, bring it back. And I literally was taking the last couple things out of the trailer yesterday for that. But special thanks to our family for kicking in and doing that. We could not have done it without you. There was no way we could have got all that done. So special thanks to the Lawless family. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
All our volunteers.
Yeah, all our volunteers really kicked in, and we really do appreciate it. Then they had a little more spice to the last 3 weeks. We went to Mule Days.
Oh, yeah.
Mule Days, Washington, Georgia. They do that once a year up in Wilkes County. Great time there.
Yes.
Great sale.
Family kicked in for that one as well.
Yeah, family kicked in really well for that. Daniel handled board sales, and we sold, I think, all our lumber, didn't we?
Tangie and Kim took care of the money and writing stuff down for sales. They did really well.
Did really, really good, and had a great sale.
I did what I do best. I talked.
That's it. And we had a great sale, had a great time, and look forward to going back next year. Going to be back next year.
Sounds wonderful.
I already made plans for that.
And they got us in our regular spot too. I already talked to the guy. Next year he's got us in our regular spot. Yeah.
And then Loretta's making these sock gnomes that are filled with rice. Really, really cute. We're not going to show you pictures of them this week.
Also snowmen and
snowmen and a penguin.
Yep, so, and we'll do a Santa too.
Yep, y'all have to watch us next week to see some actual footage of that. I'll probably bring one or two of those on with me. And then Mill Hand Michael and I were really busy this weekend. Got
cleaning.
a lot done. We cleaned up all the way around the mill, so you can travel all the way around the mill now. We cleaned up out front, got those pile of boards that were up here, so now you can pull up and work in front of the shop once again. We got the trailer up here where we're repairing the rescue trailer. We're going to put some new boards on that, new wiring, and fix the jack stand. Kind of got pulled off a little bit when we were hauling some stuff out of here before the wedding. But anyhow, we got that going on. Alrighty guys, let's move on and let me hydrate a little bit more. Alrighty, upcoming for Two Dogs. Now, there's a lot coming up, so I'm only going to give you a couple things. We're going to make some tables. Why? Because we sold several tables up at Mule Day, plus we gave one to the Kempster that she liked because somebody bought half a set.
Half a set, yeah, it was a pair. And so she needed one because she's short and it fit nice against her couch.
Yep, so it fit real well there.
And then the bride got the wedding table.
And then the bride got the wedding table. That's right. Tangie's got the wedding table that we took up to the wedding, and she likes it, so she's got it. So we're in the table making business once again, but we got a lot of candidates right down here, literally in front of me. I think we got 3 or 4 tables.
Right here, 3 right here.
Yeah, right here in front of me. So we're going to be doing that. Christmas decorations. We have got to get on our Christmas decorations. Now, what are you doing for Christmas decorations? You talked a little bit about
doing
that.
some more post snowmen like these.
Oh, that's right.
We're doing our post snowmen.
These are real favorite.
They're a definite favorite. I gotta make a set to put in the auction for an auction. I'm making my Grinches. Because I got 2 that have to be done before the end of the month.
Okay.
The end of next month. We're still in October, right?
Yep.
Next month. I've got the pallet snowmen, the little face
what
snowmen.
I call the sign people.
Yeah, we got those snowmen, Santas, things like that going on. We've got the 3 reindeer grouping.
Okay, yep.
We got
like
those, Yep. Garland. I'm doing some garland with all the leftover burlap. So I'm going to make some garland and do some nice things like that. And basically just whatever I can come up with between here and now, whatever we've got in the shop that needs to get out. I'm going to turn it into something so we can take.
A lot of them. We're going to be making a
bunch of those, because there's a bunch of that wood around here, so it'll be good.
Alrighty. We're going to clean out and reload the trailer, getting ready for Pioneer Day. And now Pioneer Day, that is the 23rd of November. 2019, Lincoln County, Lincolnton, Georgia. Can't miss it. If you come to the middle of Lincolnton, Georgia, you're going to find us. It's really a great location. We've been there before. It's been 2 years since we were there, because last year we were in Atlanta at that time. We will be associating with Pioneer Days from now on. We're going to be going to them. It's going to be a yearly thing. We had so much fun that first time.
Well, they dress up in colonial clothing or period clothing. Let me put it that way. Anywhere from the 1800s on. They've got a huge sawmill.
Yeah, big sawmill.
Big sawmill.
Big Steel was there last year.
Yeah, Big Steel was there. So it's a lot of fun. If you want to come out and join us, please do. It'll be a great time.
Yep. Hopefully Daniel will be able to come out and handle lumber
again, yeah.
Alrighty, and then what else we got going on? We got the saw pine logs for an upcoming sale in December.
Oh, that's right.
I think second weekend of December. So Millhead Michael and I will be on that. We kind of put off log sawing last couple of weeks because of the wedding and everything, and we're waiting for some tents to get in that we ordered so we can keep the wood dry.
They're not here yet.
Nice looking. They're not here. We're going to check on that. And we got much more coming up that we're going to be talking about, but that's going to be in the next video. Alright guys, let's move on. Well, that's about it for this evening. Red, do you have anything extra?
No, just keep trudging along, getting those Christmas decorations done for the Pioneer Days.
Special thanks to our family for helping
with the wedding.
For the wedding and doing
Tom,
what we do
Trudy,
best.
Kimberly, Daniel, Michael.
Daniel, oh my gosh,
yeah, they pitched in.
Reebok, Corey,
Reebok, Corey, everybody. They looked great at the wedding.
Yep.
Went through a lot to get here, and it was nice. It was nice having all my babies together.
It sure was, sure was. Well, I really do think that's about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we love to see you back in the shop.
Hi, everybody.
Happy Halloween, y'all. It's going to be one of those.
Hi, everybody.
I didn't open my water. Try it again. All right. Happy Halloween, y'all. You forgot y'all. Happy Halloween, y'all. That sounded horrible. The hand. That's the key.
I couldn't remember what it was. I couldn't remember.
Happy Halloween. You've got one line. One line. One. Hand.
Happy Halloween, y'all. I just want to say happy Halloween.